MT4 is the most popular trading platform in the world, and your broker has provided you with MT4 to be able to trade profitably and safely. This series of videos is all about learning the functionality of MT4 and how to use it, with confidence to your best financial advantage. This series is not meant as trader education, which we will cover in a different set of videos, but about the platform itself. To illustrate the use of the platform, we will show a variety of functions, some based on trading strategies and some not. So please review the education series and put a trading system in place before trading on your live account. Also, for convenience, many of the features illustrated in these videos may not be in real time, but as videos, you may pause and rewind to review any of the material. In this series, we will cover the basics like how to change the colors on your platform, to the assets you may trade, to creating templates and profiles, to the variety of tools and indicators, to risk management, and to sending updates to your smartphone. Assuming you have installed MT4 with your broker's instructions, please make it a habit to check the bottom right corner whenever you start. These figures represent the MT4 data transfer via the Internet. If you don't see changing figures, you may not be logged in properly, or you may have an Internet connection problem. If you see no Internet connection, you may need to check your system. If you see invalid account, you may have entered your password or account number incorrectly, or you may need to contact your broker. Understanding the different types of accounts is important. Any live account should have a demo account as well for testing new strategies and ideas. Also, we need to ensure that we are connected to the optimum server. Let's add another account. Click on File and select Open an Account. You will then see a list of servers, both live and demo. Select a demo server with the lowest ping. This lower ping means that the server is closer to where you normally trade. Select New Demo Account and fill in the appropriate information. When the login details appear, take a screenshot. You will not have another opportunity to recover this password unless you contact your broker directly. I would now highly recommend that you change the password to something you can remember. Click on Tools, Options, Server, and Change Password in the usual way. Once you change the password, your active account will become invalid, so you will have to log in again with the new password. Double-click on the account number and enter the new password when asked. One more quick point before we continue with our video series. There are 3 ways that MT4 displays price action. We have Japanese candlesticks, we have a simple line plot of price, and we have bars. The bars and candles are basically composed of the same information, and as your trading becomes more proficient, you may use whichever display you choose. However, for the purposes of these videos, we will be using candles. We will be looking at candlesticks in much more detail later. In this first lesson, we have covered an overview of the MT4 videos that follow, troubleshooting your account's connection, adding a demo account, changing your password, displaying price action. In the next lesson, we will be looking at the basics of MT4 and how to customize the setup.